With CSIR examination in July and 1 month left for your CSIR preparation, so how students with physical science can actually secure well? The very important rule with physical science is to understand that you cannot cover 100% of the syllabus clues to your examination. So you can apply a 20-80 rule where 20% of the topics would lead you to 80% of the marks. Now you might wonder how this comes true, but actually you have to identify the topics and prioritize those which are really scoring. So if you look onto topics of mathematical physics, electromagnetics, thermodynamics and atomic physics, these are some of the topics that would help you score really well, and this should be the priority topics for your preparation. Now how would you prepare for your next 4 weeks? So the first week would be the week where you would identify the topics that you are weak in, focus more on those, identify the topics that are strong, and for those practice more on the formulas and some of the questions which were difficult that you have marked. The second week is the time to expand and to test more. So second and third week are really crucial, because this is the time you must enhance the number of questions you are attempting. So let's say if you are attempting 100 questions as of now, increase those to 200 and 300 during the second and the third week, and this would ensure that you are in a good momentum before you actually appear for your final examination. During this time, it's also important to practice more and more of PYQs. The higher number of PYQs that you practice closer to your examination, that would create good insight before your real examination. In the examination hall, this should be the distribution of the time that you must allocate to each of the sections. So section A around 20 to 25 minutes, and then B and C. B part and C part are crucial parts, of course, for your subject, and then you must leave some of the time for the questions that you have flagged or you are not very sure to. But understand, whenever you are preparing, part A is the key. You should not neglect it. Attempt at least 10 to 12 questions correct out of the total number of questions, and this is the key to securing a JRF as well. So you cannot let loose part A in CSIR. Question selection is very important, since you have choice with your CSIR examination. Solve the questions that you can solve. Don't get trapped with the questions that appear interesting but you are not well acquainted to those topics. And of course, prepare well, practice well, have a good night's sleep before your examination. We will be meeting before your examinations again. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.